In the next 100 seconds, you're exactly going to learn how you create an AI on WhatsApp for your business that books you more appointment, a so-called AI appointment setter that you can put on your website. And when people click on start chat, then they will actually chat with your AI on WhatsApp, and it is trained specifically to book you more sales calls on autopilot whenever you sleep or whenever you're not even on your phone. Now, to get started, go to SetterAI, Google SetterAI, or go to trysetter.com and click on Get Started. Then you will get to this onboarding mask. Just put your company URL here, and it will automatically find your company information and your company name. Just click again on Continue. It will already summarize your products or services. You can, of course, edit this, and you can also edit FAQ questions. You can always come and edit this later inside the dashboard, so no worries about that. If that's not perfect already, just click on Continue, and your AI appointment setter will already be trained for you in the background. Now, while we wait, we will, it's already done in 1 second. Yeah, it's already done. Perfect. Now here, standardized, the chat widget is selected. Now you actually want to use WhatsApp, right? This is a standardized website chatbot that lives on your website. You want to have the people inside of WhatsApp so you can actually get their phone numbers, right? So you're going to click on More Integrations down here, and then you're gonna click on Go to Playground. Great. Now, once in a playground, you can test your setter, but we are going to go over and integrate our WhatsApp account. Now, before we do that, we want to connect our Calendly account to be able to actually book us appointments into our calendar. So your WhatsApp chatbot will know your Calendly account. So click on Connect Calendly, and I've already connected my Calendly account here. Great, now let's head over to WhatsApp and click on Connect WhatsApp. So you will see this mask when you click on the WhatsApp integration. Now go ahead and click on Import Business Account Data, and it will ask you, do you already have a phone number for WhatsApp? Now, Meta treats every WhatsApp account with its own phone number. So you will need a new phone number for a AI that you want to put on WhatsApp. That cannot be your personal number. So just select if you have already like a spare phone number that is not connected to any WhatsApp account right now. If you don't have, then no problem. You can just purchase a phone number if you click on the No button. If you have one, perfect, just continue to Meta and just follow the 5-step process that will come up here. It will ask you to log in with your Facebook account, and it will just give you a 5-step process. Just select whatever business you want to use for the account, and then just verify your phone number with a quick SMS to that phone number. Great. Once you've done that, you will see that these fields will now contain values, for example, your phone number. And if you want to edit your AI setter, just go to Settings and go ahead and edit your prompt. Now, this prompt is already pretty optimized in order to book you more appointments. It has a script that is very much optimized for AI appointment setting. But of course, if you have a known really good script, just go ahead and change that and update that script. Now, there's one last step necessary in order to put this button on our website. Now you have your phone number, you have your setter created. Just go ahead and click on Create WhatsApp button on the left side here. And here you will get to our free WhatsApp button generator. Just change your name, whatever you want to have in that button. Just you can customize everything here. You can also customize the image. That image needs to be one that is already like live on your website, for example, and you have a URL for that image. So just put that in, for example, from your Webflow, WordPress, or whatever website. Just put that image in here, the image URL, put in your phone number, and you can also customize your first message and the pre-fill message, and then just click on Generate Button Code, and yeah, just copy that code and put it into your website code somewhere in your website code, for example, in the header or in the body section, and then that button, including your phone number, will appear on your website, and when people click on it, it will open WhatsApp and then they will start chatting with the with your created setter, and then you will see all of your conversations actually inside the conversations tab, and you will see the phone numbers as well in there, so you can actually collect phone numbers because they will all be saved inside of the conversations tab. I'm not going to click on there right now because there's a lot of customer phone numbers, but exactly. Thank you for watching this video, and click below the first link to get started with this. And if you have any questions, just shoot us an email or book an appointment.